Have you ever stopped to wonder why your balls hang outside your body? It seems like a design flaw, one of the most vital organs for reproduction and hormone production just swinging there. No bone, no muscle, no armor. But there's a reason. It's all about temperature control. Your testicles aren't just for making sperm, they're your testosterone factory. And like any high-performance factory, they work best under specific conditions. In this case, they need to be cooler than your core body temperature, about 2 to 6 degrees cooler. That's why they're outside your body. That's why elephants and whales, who don't rely on quick, constant testosterone production, are among the only mammals without external testicles. But here's the problem. Modern life is slowly cooking your testosterone. Hot showers, tight underwear, long hours sitting in warm car seats, saunas, heated blankets. All these seemingly harmless habits are increasing the temperature in your pants, and science shows that even a small rise in scrotal temperature can lower sperm quality and possibly testosterone production. One study found that just sitting in a car seat for extended periods can heat the scrotum by 2 degrees Celsius. Another found that heating the testicles of bulls by just 3 degrees Celsius led to a massive drop in testosterone production. Still think your hot baths are relaxing? Maybe for your brain, but not for your balls. Can cooling boost testosterone? In the late 2000s and 10s, rumors swirled about Chinese powerlifters icing their testicles to boost performance. It sounded like internet bro science, but there's some logic behind it. Several studies show that cooling the scrotum improves sperm production, especially in infertile men. One 1984 study had subfertile men wear a scrotal cooling device for 16 weeks. Sperm quality improved in 65% of participants, and some even got their partners pregnant after years of infertility. Now, most of these studies focused on fertility, but remember, testosterone is necessary to make healthy sperm. So what helps sperm might also help your testosterone levels. Another overlooked factor is a condition called varicocele, swollen veins in the scrotum that impair blood flow and cause overheating. It affects up to 30% of men, and studies show that men with varicocele have lower testosterone on average. Surgery to fix it not only lowers the temperature of the testicles, it also raises testosterone levels in most men. This tells us one thing: testicle temperature directly affects testosterone production. Should you ice your balls? Now, I'm not saying you need to keep frozen peas in your pants all day, but gentle cooling could help. Try this. Use an ice pack over your underwear for about 5 to 10 minutes once or twice a day. Never place ice directly on your skin. You're going for cool, not numb. Also, avoid tight underwear. Take breaks from long periods of sitting. Let things breathe at night. Skip hot baths or saunas when possible, or cool off afterwards. Final thoughts: testosterone isn't just about being a man. It's about energy, motivation, mental health, muscle, libido, your entire sense of drive and vitality. And if your testosterone feels low, maybe it's not just your age, diet, or stress. Maybe you're literally cooking it away, one hot bath or tight pair of jeans at a time this video. So the next time you're wondering why you're tired, unmotivated, or low on confidence, ask yourself a simple question. Are my balls too hot? Cool them down. You just might change your life. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and watch our other videos for more insightful contents as well. See you soon.